guys, today I will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. When just click on settings, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on click here on accessibility here. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to cut browser font scaling, and here can you select it in this list like you see here on your AnkiDroid app here in this side. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.